ready. Are you ready?
Ready.
This is the start of our bike trip. We are all packed, ready to go. We're gonna go to the airport. We're all packed up. These are all of my bike bags. They're honestly not like that full, but we have to fit everything we're wearing into these later. Here's Mike's bike, looking very sleek. He has most of the clothes in here, so we're ready to go. Mike and I planned a 5-day bike trip around Jeju Island, and we started off by biking to the subway station, and then we made it to Gimpo Airport. At the airport, we used a company called Roundel, where you can rent a bike box for your bike and then have it go through security and go on the plane with you. And so we had to take apart our bikes, but don't be intimidated because this was a really easy process. We definitely had to look up a video on what to do, but other than that, it was really simple. We did it. We packed the bikes. And now we're just walking to our gate. Good morning. We are packing up our bike bags, getting ready to go. Wow, the views are so beautiful. We made it to the first passport stop. So here's the passport. Check it out.
Shelter.
Which one is this? Okay.
Gotta test it first.
감사합니다. We just checked in at our Airbnb for the night, but it's sunset right now and we are gonna go get some food. We're staying in this cute little place. It's literally called Cozy House. Cozy House. Very cute. Good morning. We just woke up and it's a little chilly outside, but we're about to start our second day biking around Jeju. It's so pretty and so peaceful. Okay, we're at another stop. So as we were riding to our next hotel for the night, we rode past a World Seashell Museum. And I decided to go back and go inside because Ishell is my name. It rhymes with seashell. They're kind of my thing. And it was very cheap. It was very small, but I loved seeing all the different types of seashells. One of my favorite hobbies is running around beaches, collecting shells and digging them up and looking up different classifications. It was a very random pit stop, but I really loved it. Just like stumbled upon this beautiful garden. It's right along the coast. So I've been wearing my short sleeve top the last 2 days. And I want to try and offset my farmer's tan that I've been getting. So I'm wearing these sleeves that a lady gave me. Are they cute? I kind of think they are. Hopefully I can offset my awkward tan. Wow. Look at these palm trees. We are almost to the next passport stop and the views are just insane. Okay, what are we putting on right now?
Ponchos.
Our ponchos, because it's raining. Okay, Mike's poncho is like a balloon. You look like the humpback of Notre Dame. Oh, wow. I look glamorous, as usual. It's so pretty. I would love to take pictures here, but it's raining.
Yeah, picture, video, whatever.
Wow. Final stamp. Let's go.
We did it.
We did it. This bike trip was so much fun. I highly recommend cycling the island to be able to see Jeju from such a unique perspective. The cycling was really easy because it's mostly flat around the island, and we took our time and relaxed a lot at beautiful cafes. I'm so grateful that we had such good weather during our bike trip because it really made the whole experience so much more special.